This is Jocuu's Slicer Shredder attachment set for Jocuu Slow Masticating Juicer, which is sold separately. One of my favorite things about this attachment set is how easy it is to assemble. Simply insert the feeding shoe into the main body of the juicer, select an attachment piece. When you insert it, you'll hear it click, and to disassemble, there's one button, which makes it super easy. This set includes 3 attachment pieces: the slicer, which gives you thin slices of vegetables, the coarse shredder for getting thin vegetable strips, and the fine shredder, which finely shreds cheese, nuts, bread, and more. I personally am not a big fan of chopping, dicing, and slicing, and so I'm always grabbing this attachment set anytime I'm making salads. It's great for shredding up carrots, cucumbers, nuts, and so many other things. And most importantly, I can assure you that this product is so easy to clean. You just disassemble it, you can rinse the pieces in the sink under water, or they're also dishwasher safe. I highly suggest this attachment set and think it makes a great addition to your Jocuu collection.